And now, First Warn 5 weather.
6:42 this morning. The one thing you're not going to have to worry about, like we've been talking about the previous 2 mornings, was the fog. Not today. Visibilities are all good across the valley. 10 miles is maximum visibility. No fog whatsoever. It's just a little too dry and a little too windy for any fog to form this morning. And we have clear skies out there. This is a loop over 6 hours and there's nothing going on. We have no clouds in the area, lots of sun, and lots of sun all day long. It is a different story in the eastern U.S. right now. We're on the dry side of that cold front. That's why we're cooler this morning and why we're going to be cooler this afternoon. That wind is still out of the north and bringing some colder temperatures into our area. But look at all the mess out here. Rain, and again, as that colder air moves in, it's transitioning from rain to freezing rain to sleet to snow in places that don't see it very often, like Memphis, Tennessee, Mississippi. That's going to be the big national talker today, is the slick conditions and snowy conditions in the Ohio Valley, and then moving on into the Northeast. For us, we're not going to be in the national news, but we're going to be actually pretty nice. Sunny skies. Now, the thing is, it's still going to be windy, but not as windy as yesterday. Gusts today around 30 miles per hour, particularly in the morning and early afternoon, and then those winds will die down later this afternoon. Highs in the mid-60s after a chilly start, so you probably won't need the jackets this afternoon, but you will need them again this evening and late tonight. Our temperatures are going to drop into the upper 30s. Now, winds will be light, so there won't be much of a wind chill factor, but the perfect conditions for a cold night. Clear skies, low humidity, and light winds, and that's why we may even see the mid-30s in our usual cold spots out in Starr County and northern Hidalgo County, but in general, on average, will be around 39. Now, because we still have low humidity and it's still going to be breezy, there is still a threat for fires, and the conditions are still very dry out there. We could use some rain, but we don't have a red flag warning because it's not going to be as windy as yesterday. That said, I still want people to be very careful. We saw how many fires there were yesterday, and those conditions are similar today. So please do not burn anything outside. Don't burn any trash. Don't have a fire pit going. And if you are a smoker, be very careful how you extinguish those cigarettes. Make sure it goes in the ashtray. Don't fling it out the window. And even avoid parking your car in a grassy spot. All it takes is that hot exhaust and these kind of conditions to trigger a fire. Now, that said, let's talk about Monday, which will be a holiday for many. Partly cloudy skies, breezy, but actually a nice day. Highs in the low 70s. The only chance of rain the entire holiday weekend is late Monday night. For the rest of the weekend, it is looking nice. Now, there are going to be some cold starts in the morning, upper 30s, both Saturday morning and Sunday morning, but we warm up mid-60s Saturday afternoon, upper 60s on Sunday. And on Sunday, still a lot of sunshine, just some high-level cirrus clouds. Now, we will have more clouds for Monday on Martin Luther King, but again, staying dry. The only chance of rain coming in Monday night, but then things not so nice at all. Cloudy skies, scattered showers. A cold front arrives on Tuesday. We'll still be in the upper 60s, I think, depending on the exact timing of that front. But it looks like Wednesdays will be our coldest day, and it could be very cold. It could only get to the upper 40s. We do see a warming trend start on Thursday, though, and in fact, by next Saturday, we may see temperatures return to the 80s. We'll have more news.